Hey guys, welcome back to JHS Joshua Hopkins Studios, our YouTube channel. We're gonna do something a little different today. My second unboxing ever, and the first unboxing here on the channel. I got a little thing, and I'm so blessed to be able to have this. But let's get into it. Let's see what it is. I know what it is, but let's see if you can guess what it is. You're probably gonna see it in just a couple of seconds. Try not to tear everything up. We don't want to make a mess. Oh man, I tell you, God is faithful. He's been better than good to me. Let's get this box out this way. So this is the M3 Pro MacBook. I've been kind of wanting this for a little while now, and I've been blessed to be able to get it. So let's see what we got here. Let's see. I think I may have to open it on the side. There may be some tape. Yep. I see people do this all the time on the videos, and it's so satisfying. So, oh man. Whoever thought that just pulling tape would be satisfying. I have to apologize for my desk being a mess right now. I'm gonna record weekly roundup a little bit later today, so make sure to check that out. It should be out probably by the time this video is out, or coming out a little bit sooner, a little bit later, excuse me. But let's check this out. All right. This is the 14-inch. I think it's the space black. Oh man. Oh man. I'm sorry if it's a little bit out of view. I'm trying not to knock this stand over that I have the phone on. I know it's not very professional, but we'll get there eventually, and hopefully this can help with that. Here she is. Oh man. Oh, this is not. I'm not gonna be weird. I'm not gonna sniff it. Some people do that, and hey, I may do it after I get off camera. But we got this nice braided cord here. I don't know if you can really see. It's braided. Feels very nice. Feels high quality. Very high quality. It should be for how much it's cost. I thank God that I was able to get this for $200 off. So see if that sale's still up. I got it from Amazon. I also saw it at Best Buy on sale, $200 off. We got our little charging cable here. Got our Mac information here. I'm not gonna go through that right now. Oh, and I believe this is the charging block. This is my first Apple computer. Switched to iPhone a few years back, and I think I told myself I wasn't gonna switch to an Apple computer, but well, in the words of Eddie Guerrero, not saying it's okay to lie. I had to repent for that, but you know, it's a blessing to be here. It's a big block, and it has the USB-C charging on it. Oh, just flips out like that. All right, so let's get this out the way. Slide this thing back in. Here she is. It's not. It's like simple. 14 inches fits right here on the desk. We'll try not to tear this up. Oh, let's open it up. Let's try to move with the camera. I know it's not the best view, and I apologize. I think it's trying to load up a little bit. Oh, it loaded up real quick. But yeah, let's get this paper off. This stuff is sometimes hard to get. Oh, here we go. Maybe not so difficult. Oh, this screen is, oh my gosh. This screen is something. Hold up. Keyboard lights up. Okay. So let's get this thing set up. I'm not going to go through everything on camera because I'm going to have to try to transfer some of my files and stuff. But this is what you see when you first get up here. I'm here in the United States. Let me know where you're watching from in the comments. All right, I'm not gonna do any accessibility right now. If we need to change that, we'll go back to it later. Go connect to the Wi-Fi. All right, sorry about that. I had a little itch trying to get into the internet. I gotta learn how to use these Macs, man. But it's gonna be an experience. Okay, so I'm gonna end it there. I'm about to do the migration, and yeah, M3 MacBook Pro, M3 Pro, excuse me. And I'm excited. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't too professional. There's many other people who do it way better than I am, but I'm excited. I'm blessed. Thank you all for the support. Over 400 subscribers thus far. And always remember, Jesus loves you and so do I. We'll be back next time with a brand new episode of whatever we got on the channel. Check out Ministry Minute. You can check out Matchup, Fight for Supremacy, Weekly Roundup. Check it out. Check out the channel if you're coming here for the first time. But yeah, MacBook Pro, and I'm just blessed. So take care, guys. See you in the next one.